Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas at the Gilbert compound. There is a man, and his name is Billy Kaufman. And Billy Kaufman was in my very first foster home I was in as a child. I was 9 or 10 years old, and Billy Kaufman introduced me to somebody in the music industry. And Billy Kaufman was the first person I ever called brother. If anybody knows a man by the name of Billy Kaufman that was in Alma, Arkansas in the early 1980s, early to mid 1980s, please have him call me. Have him message me below. Billy Kaufman, I've been looking for you for almost 35 years, and I don't know where you are. But you introduced me to somebody that changed my life. And I do mean changed, because music, my daughter tells me that music is the way that she absorbs things and she gets away from all of insanity in the world. But the music that I listened to was from the 70s and the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And without further ado, let me show you who he introduced me to, if this is what I think it is. Also, my sister's ex-boyfriend, Kenny. If you're watching this, I don't recall your last name, but thank you. Because you actually gave me these the first time I ever owned them. And they were lost, and it took me this long to remember that I wanted them back. And sometimes in life, you have to find what you lost so that you can get it back. Oh, by the way, I'm using this amazing knife I have. I love this. Alright, so let's see if this is in here, if this is what I think it is. And I'm pretty sure it is. It's turning out to be that way. It cost me less than $11 for this item. And it's probably priceless to me. Probably priceless. Let's see how good a condition they're in. Wow, they look like they're in excellent condition. Wow, that is so awesome. I never had the full set, but now as an adult I have the full set of Elvis cards. Literally, there were 66 of these cards, and I have all 66 of them. Let me count them just to make sure. I'm pretty sure they're all here. Wow, I am fascinated. But you know, this one doesn't have the best cover. You know, Don Russ wasn't really he didn't really do real good. So, you know, if you look at that, that's off. That's okay. It don't matter. Man. 1965, there's, oh, man. Wow, this is so cool. January 1966. Man, this just brings back so many memories that I had as a child. I know that sounds crazy, but this is so awesome. Elvis. Such a cool set. What's your favorite Elvis song? Mine's the ghetto. In the ghetto. Really is. Check that out. You know, fun thing about this picture was probably taken, it doesn't say it, but this picture was probably taken in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Fort Chaffee. Most likely that picture was taken at Fort Chaffee, Arkansas. Or maybe that or Germany, but he had a thing at Fort Chaffee in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Look at that. Isn't that fascinating? That's some cool stuff. This is the Elvis that everybody remembers. You know, that one in '68. I love Elvis. Elvis was one of my first heroes, and I just thought I wanted to share that with y'all. I was looking for a specific one. There's GI Blues. Jailhouse Rock. Y'all may notice that a lot of my aneurysms and the way I talk and the way that I do things have a lot to do with Elvis. That's just me. So anyway, just wanted to share that with y'all. A little bit of fun Elvis. Cool stuff. God bless America. God bless you. Thank you for listening. Y'all have a nice and glorious day. And remember, the only thing that matters in this world is Old Glory. And pray for everybody, okay? Because we all need it. Bye. Love y'all very much. Peace out.